So the vibe in terms of MSP Global has been incredible over the last couple of days. That many partners, MSPs from across the globe of all different sizes, from solo entrepreneurs up to hyperscalers. But I see one key theme this year for me, and it's that leaning into education, training and development, a passion to do more.
People that have come here have really come here to engage. We've spoken to some brilliant people. We've got some great knowledge from some other people that have been here as well, which we're going to use, and we'll come back the same next year.
We wanted to go to an event that brought all of the MSP community together, and MSP Global was it's in the name of the event. We've done some great MSP events over the last year or 2 years. There's been a lot of MSP events. It's becoming very, very popular, and this is one of the pinnacle MSP events that I've attended.
MSP Global is a fantastic event. If you haven't been before, you definitely should. It's all in the name. So actually it's brilliant because all the right people come to this event, either managed service providers that know they're going to be able to meet potential customers that are interested in their services, and the flip side of that.
The experience is very unique. I mean, we rarely get to see channel-only events with this quality of attendees and content. It's rare to see, in EMEA. It's a great size of audience.
Some people might think this is all about partying, but it's not. So it's really hard work during the day, and again, hard work, but with a great fun element in the night. Yeah, we chose MSP Global deliberately because this is really the brilliant industry gathering where you meet all the experts in one place. And I mean, the location is outstanding. 27 degrees, end of October. What else do you need?
Taking time out of your business really is, and coming to an event like this gives you an opportunity to meet with fellow peers in the community to not only talk about maybe the challenges that you have, but maybe some of the solutions that they've adopted from not just the vendors and the software and the hardware that we provide, but also from what other MSPs are doing right now.
We chose MSP Global because we wanted to meet the most cybersecurity focused partners from the Europe. And in here, actually, we can meet partners around the world, and also having more time, free time to discuss with them in the neutral environment, beautiful environment of space.
The people we met were very international. I think it also matches a lot with our company and what we do and involve, having so many languages and a diverse culture. I think that's exactly what we found at the event as well. It brings much more than just the business networking, but building an experience together, that's for sure. Yeah, a lot of valuable interactions for sure.
Day one was a lot of conversations. We probably got the chance to sit down for about 30 minutes in the entire day. With that many conversations, it was fast flowing.